Ukhozi umaphiko ombhula amaphiko kwaye kwaphephezela omiyane inyoni nobuciko nomnyunyu edweleni isivinini emafini icula ingoma emnandi yayahlukanisa unyaka omusha omdala inyoni enezigidigidi zabalandeli abayilandelayo zamemeza sezidondolozela zathi siyayazi le nyoni yayiculela okhokho bethu abanye abathule isibongo sokhozi FM sisibhalelwe isidadada sothu Ukhozi FM luhamba phambili.
Sikubingelele sikwamukele kuKhozi FM TV. Igama lami ngoNeliswa Cele. Ngiyabonga ukuthi uphinde uhlale nathi namhlanje. Namhlanje ngiphethe umculi wegospel, umculo osanda kukonyeliswa Best Song of the Year kuma Metro FM Music Awards. Ngiyathemba uzibonelile lapha ekhaya wabona nakule video esisanda kuyifaka ukuthi wayenjani kuthiwa ngesixhosa ngesizulu sithi umuntu uvunule mayifaka i-traditional attire kuthiwa ngesixhosa
andiyazi
so buye siyithole
andivunule
ovunule for the day wayivuna ngezinto ezinhle zamaxhosa engangeve ngizithanda sikhuluma ngaye uBetusile wakaMcinga bhuti wami uyaphila
Ndiyaphila kakhulu ndiyabulisa kakhulu nakubabukeli beUkhozi TV.
Ihlezi bageja lento abantu bafuna ukuthi abalaleli sesajwayela ne. Siyabonga ukuthi usivakashele namhlanje.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi singaxoxa ngawe umculo wakho nangezinye nje izinto mhlambe ohambeni lakho lempilo yakho. Ngizoqala ngala uBetusile wakhula eubani mhlamba ababukela bazi uke wangihlebela la ukuthi mawusemncane ngekhathi zakhe wayuthola ibaptismal certificate esontweni wawungaqali ngebirth certificate esibhedlela
yebo
wawuthola certificate kumfundisi bese sithathu ye-home affairs bese ke ibonaka sebezokhiphela ibirth certificate
so that's lapho ngiyakuthola khona ukuthi ke ngiyande ngiBetusile because nami ngifuna ukuconfirm le nto ba why is ngithiwe ngiBetusile ekhaya I thought mhlawumbe ligama engilithola senimdala but umakhulu bese ngibonisa i baptismal certificate yami esho ukuthi na yasayinwa ngumfundisi wami date ethile lapha ya ecaweni ngexesha nanizalwa ngalo so that was confirmed ke bandi ngiBetusile ngiyani
mhlawumbe ukuzibuzela chazani vele ukuthi uBetusile
ana chaza ukuthi you surprised people like
Betusile which is very fitting mangabe kanjalo ngoba usuqopha umlando wabethusa abantu ngokuthala lo mkomelo sisazokhuluma ngawo but I'm sure abantu abaningi bebengalindele ukuthi ungatholwa umculi wegospel ngoba emlandweni wethu into ebengayenzeki
yebo
asiqalela naye uBetusile wakhula kuphi kanjani
Ngikhulele eWillowvale khona indawo pha eEastern Cape okuthiwa Gatyane it's a small town inesirato nje siyi-1 mawungena uthi usangena ucabanga ukuthi ungena etown kanti sowuphumile kunesirato nje siyi-1 negarage liyi-1 njalo nama-shop ngambalwa ngikhulele khona but nakhona ngikhulelanga edolophini from out mawuye ekhaya kusemakhaya ezilalini ezansi like you drive more than 30 kilometers on travel road from town xa usiya ekhaya so ngikhulele khona as a normal boy and I did izinto most abafana abancane bazenzayo and khulela kodwa kwikhaya lomculo umakhulu wami she was a teacher efundisa umculo esikolweni my uncle naye is also a teacher naye wayefundisa umculo esikolweni my mom is a well-known gospel artist umamlusanda Mcinga so ngikhulele kwelakhaya lomculo othandwa kakhulu umculo abafana abancinci sifunde primary bekuthi makuzoba khona lama competition choral ezikolweni amaculo afikele ekhaya so we would practice them and then sihambe siye esikoleni siyo practice abanye abantwana so I think that's when now I fell in love with music
umculo into kuwena wawuvela wazi ukuthi uzoqhubeka negospel
no ngangazi I think into yegospel influence kakhulu ukuthi ekhaya we are a Christian family, so we go to church and umama ke wabe seyiqala naye ucula igospel. So mayiqala ucula igospel, everyone kwi-village yethu waye excited i-success yakhe. Manje seyibonwa ezi-TVini, seyidlala ezi-radioini. So now we formed a group sisebancane kwakuthiwa Young Lusanda Spiritual Group. So we're singing gospel, silinganisa konke lokuculwayo, bo Mamu Rebecca, bo Witnesses of God, bo Tatu Makhabane. We're doing ezangoma zabo famous silinganisa bona until like boma 2008 when I started now doing my first album. Title ethi wakhe. After that 2010 I did my second album ethi Jesu. And then 2013 I did my third album sithi Kuphelele inale ngoma ethi Zundithwale, which made us to win a Song of the Year on SABC Crown Gospel Awards 2014. Yeah, so I think that's when now kwavuleka izinto khona kum, and I think lelo naxesha ndingathi ndiye ndangena ku-music industry formally. I was introduced like nakwezinye provinces working with umxolisi Mhlongo.
Mhlambe ukhuluma ngendaba yokungena kwamanye ama-provinces. Kwake kwafika ni kuwena umuntu ohlala e-Eastern Cape ukuthi mhlambe let me move to eGoli noma angisuke ngeThekwini, abaculi abaningi baseGoli noma baseThekwini noma nje wazithola ukuthi no ngizozinza khona la e-Eastern Cape?
Mna yona I'm very proud of being umuntu wase-Eastern Cape. And I think yona vision endinayo kakhulu kukubona Eastern Cape iphuhla ngalendlela yokuba impumelelo yethu e-Eastern Cape ibe yiyo etsala all the glamorous things ze-industry izise-Eastern Cape, so that kuzawuphuhla nezinye ii-artists zakhona. So kukhe kufike lokho engqondweni uba fanele ndiyohlala eGoli because many opportunities are there. We can't lie. Or ndiyohlala eThekwini because many opportunities are there. But I would like to inspire kakhulu laba bantwana bahlala emakhaya ngobomi bam, bantwana bapha konongoma who can't really afford to move to eThekwini. Abantwana bapha e-Eastern Cape apho ndisuka khona eWillowvale, they must, when they look at me, babe inspired that amaphupha akho angafezeka noma uphi if usebenza nzima futhi umethemba uJehova.
Ngifisa ungixoxele ngama-album noma nje i-process yakho yokudlala umculo noma yokubhala umculo ihambe kanjani? Amaculo ayazifikela kuwena noma uyohlale phansi ucabanga ukuthi sekumele ngikhiphe i-album ebese uyabhala, kuhamba kanjani?
Yeah, kunomahluko. I think each and every song iyehlukile. One, mina ngidume ngokwenza i-hymns zasesontweni eWillowvale noma eWillowvale. So ngidume kakhulu ngokwenza i-hymns nama-chorus asesontweni. But we do write songs, you know. Sine team endisebenza nayo, which is led by umxolisi Mhlongo, our producer, and ngisebenza nabo Jumbo nabo Dumi, ngisebenza no Malizole in terms of ukubhala izingoma, and also my brothers. So masisiye studio we sit down and check ba who have ingoma ethile, and then we decide bazeziphi ezingenayo kwi-album masesifuneka siye e-studio. But kunokuvela nje into kwingoma sometimes ube ne-vision yayo, and sometimes when you have that vision, those things they come at night sometimes. Kufuneka uvuke uthathe ifoni yakho ukhawuleze uyirekhode la ifoni ungazikhohlwa kusasa, yabona. So kunokuvela kanjalo, or sometimes ingoma i-inspirishwe sesimo okuso ngelo xesha okanye isimo sibonayo sisenzeka ngelo xesha, then now kuvele ingoma out of what you are seeing.
mhlawumbe ngizibuzela ubhala ingoma uzundithwale for example usakhumbula ukuthi yini eyakwenza uyibhale kwakwenzakalani?
I think leya ngoma yayingumthandazo wokucela uThixo into yokuba andithwale on the journey that I think I was starting yomculo. Nokuthi la ngoma it's nervous ethi xa ndiyekelelwa nguwe ndawuphalala njengamanzi. Now that means you giving God or ithemba lakho lonke ulibeka kuNkulunkulu, yabona, kuba awunayo enye into othembele kuyo. So I think it was inspired by that leya ingoma, and yaba ingoma ke ngoku wonke umuntu awakwazi ukurelate nayo, because it's a general prayer ye protection, general prayer yokuthi uThixo makakuthwale akususe kule ndawo akubeke kwenye indawo ngengalo zakhe zobubele.
And then bese kuba ileso ibhale manje ke le yaNgena Noah osikuwinele nomkomelo Song of the Year kuma Metro FM Awards.
Yeah. Le ka Noah, it's a Bible story, a story ska Noah. But I think what is interesting mna eyanditsala kakhulu kule ngoma ne story ska Noah into yokuba after the 2 years besi experience ile COVID where we've seen abantu besifa ngapha nangapha, I think ilixesha lokuba singabantu siziqokelele back to Christ, so that sizokwazi ukuba safe emkhumbini. Umkhumbi manje ayisengumkhumbi lo wawukhiwa nguNoah ngemithi, but ngumkhumbi onguKristu, because masihleli phansi kwesandla sikaKristu sinokuphepha nayo yonke into. And okwesibini asilazi ixesha elilofika. We are one step away from death. So as amakholwa we believe that makufika ixesha lokufa fanele lifike ubudlelwane bethu noNkulunkulu busendaweni right, so that we may be assured ngokuyofika ehlala ezulwini noNkulunkulu. So I think that story is carrying la message ethi ebantwini they should make sure babalungisa indlela zabo noNkulunkulu.
Indlela obhala ngayo umculo inobuciko, umculo wegospel. Siyazi nje ukuthi yebo sidlulisa imessage, kodwa ke imessage mele idluliseke ngendlela ukuthi ifike kubantu yamukeleke, ikwazi ukuthi iculeke. Ngesikhathi unomkomelo ngiyakhumbula mangaphazama uCasper Nyovest watweeta wathi leli culo bengingalazi kodwa already seliyadlala emculweni linaleyo catch leyo. Mhlambe mawulekelela umunye umculi wegospel osakhula, iziphi izinto okumele ayifake emqondweni the time ebhala izingoma zakhe ukuthi yebo umbiko uyahamba kodwa futhi iculo nalo liyaphumelela njengeciko?
I think eyona nto noyi-advise mna kuba qambi bomculo wegospel ukuthi simplicity is always the best. Ukuthi ungabhali into eningi kakhulu, ubhale into that people will be able to sing along. Because ma wenza ingoma awuyenzeli wena, kodwa uyenzela ukuthi laba bayilalele they can hear the message and also babe part of the message, yabo. Manje mawusubhala amazwi amaninzi and ingoma mhlawumbe idlala kayi-1 lapha kuKhozi FM, mayidlala phaya fanele la 5 minutes idlula ngayo la ngoma umuntu akwazi uba akhethe imessage uba ithini message ephelwe ile ngoma. And at the same time umculo uyakhula ngoku, so even the beats the sound lena iyachinja. I-sound esiyicreatayo ngeli xesha lethu ayisafani ne-sound eyayicreatwa zi-artists ezi-before thina, you know. I-sound ethu fanele i-sound that is relevant to le generation yethu. So I think i-producers zethu ke ezifana noMxolisi Mhlongo zizo that make sure that the beat at least is is a beat that everyone can relate with. Le ngoma lena ika Noah sithetha ngayo, it was played in taverns, it's played ngabantwana abancane abayithanda kakhulu, nabantu abadala, abantu abakholwayo nabangakholwayo, they can relate. Now iyakuxelela kids may also maybe just relating with the beat and the sound, not necessarily the lyrical content yabo. But now as much as be catchwa i-beat lena yabo, they are able to learn i-lyrics zayo bazithetha ukuthini yabo. So ngingatsho nje kuma-artist ukuthi let's just be simple, but sizame ujonga into yokuba i-market is going kweliphi icala, and at the same time sizama ukuba relevant, because lo mculo esiwenza ngumculo kaNkulunkulu. Akufanelanga sigade kakhulu ukuthi abantu bafuna ntoni, but sijonge nokuthi uNkulunkulu yena ngophi umyalezo afuna udlulisa ebantwini, ufuna udlulisa kanjani.
Sikhuluma noBetusile, Ukhozi FM TV. Siyabuya. Sikhuluma noBetusile Mcinga kuKhozi FM TV. Usanda kuwina Song of the Year kuma Metro FM Music Awards. Okumkomelo obalekile ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi awukuqala selokhu savala kuyi-COVID nezimo ezikanjalo. Ngiyakhumbula ke sixoxa nawe ukuthi wawungeva uzizwa amandla ukuthi no hayi uzohamba naye, kodwa mase sixoxa namhlanje uyasho ukuthi ama nerves ayekhona kancane.
Kaloku you must appear strong when you are weak.
Uqinisile.
Yeah, so nervous kakhulu. But nervous kakhulu nge-performance.
Okay,
not ukuwina. I think my prayer was to go on that stage and yowina imiphefumulo for uNkulunkulu. Yona mission enanayo leyo.
So wawina double.
Wawina double. I've seen like i-performance yampaya manihle stage. People still sang along ngoma.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Abathi ama-presenter abavala hayi abantu bayacula, you know. For me that was a sign that the song has made a stamp ezinhliziyweni zabo, and surely it was a win for the kingdom of God. I believe ke uThixo, because of trying to win imiphefumulo to his kingdom, what decide ukuthi makandivuze ngale award.
Mangicabanga ngalobi abusuku ngicabanga nje nokuthi umuntu vele owakhulela emculweni, ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ama nerves ayekhona. Umuntu operformayo ujayele vele ukuthi uhlale uthi kuyiqoqa kancane ngaphambi kokuba uperforme, noma lento isisegazini, akusekho lokho kwethuka ukuthi ngizoma phambi kwabantu.
Mina I get nervous every day. Nokuma futhi senibona audience yamba ngabantu abayi-2 or 3 yenza baperformela, but it's always the same. I think kukungawuqheli umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, because once you get used to it, uphela ungayi-respect lento uyenzayo, you know. So ungathi uyayenza nje for the sake of kuyenza, uba ukwazi ukuyenza, you know. Kanti uyazi ukuba lento uyenzayo ayonto yakho. Uyayihlonipha, futhi uyihlonipha ngalendlela yokuthi uthandazela ukuthi kungabikho nto inokwenzeka erongo. You know, xa usiya stage uyo performer, there are many people involved in your performance. Kuno sound engineer, kuno backers, ne band. One thing that goes wrong, it messes up i-performance yakho. So as an artist now, like now presenter a show, you know, you need to make sure that you keep your script kakuhle. So anything ekuphazamisayo, mhlawumbe cameraman phaa with camera, it messes up your show, the whole show. Yeah. So zezo zinto ke umuntu abe uyazithandazela before angene stage. So ngalamini nandithandazela ba Thixo, let there be i-flag enkulu ephakanyiswayo xa ndingena estagini, i-flag ebhalwe zonke izithembiso zikaThixo, i-flag ebhalwe into yokuba kuThixo akho nto ingenzekiyo, futhi okungenzeki kubantu kuJehova kuyenzeka.
ngibone ithombe ku social media wabuyela wayekhaya. Bakwenzela lento abajwayele ukuyenza makwini ama-team ebhola ne. Wahlala lapha phezulu. Unjani umphakathi ukujabula abasekhaya bonke nje abantu abakwaziyo?
Yo bajabulile kakhulu. Bengingayilindelanga i-welcome ngenje ya. Ndandidla ngoyibona kubantu besport njengobusisho. Makwini bafana omabhokobhoko. Then kwenziwe leya noise. Mangifike ekhaya e-airport ndifike ndibona into endingayaziyo. I've been crying that day ndingakholelwa into kuba kanti baninzi kangaka abantu who actually appreciate lento esiyenzileyo. And to them banalanto yokuthi ukuphuma kwethu sahamba saye eMpumalanga besifana noba yibafana bafana iyomela ilizwe siyo represent the whole province. Now coming back with award to them was a big deal. Bekhona bo MEC phaya wakwa Arts and Culture, kunabo mayor bethu, kuzonke leaders zase Eastern Cape nenkosi bezikhona, nabantu who have voted, because I believe if abantu bebengavotanga ngesingayifumenanga le award, but abantu babenalanto yokuba they want to change what is normal in the industry, because into normal kwi-industry kunalento yokuthi ingathi i-gospel music ibekwa kwikona ethile encane ngongathi yona doesn't belong to the industry. Hence abantu besethuka xa kuwina i-gospel song
bese ngiza lapho
because banalandawo bayibekela kuyo ngathi yona ezinye izinto ezenzekayo kwi-industry azifanelanga ukuthi
nidila kanjani nalokho?
I think winning now like this was a win for every gospel artist. I think maybe you've seen Omamu Rebecca besenzi videos appreciating namanye ama-artists ojumbo namanye appreciating lento, because honestly iqhaqha that bubble esivalelwa kuyo sizi gospel artists, especially traditional gospel artists. Yabo kungathi zijongelwa phansi ngongathi zona are not creatives like others, you know. So it has changed that kakhulu. And uyokhumbula South Africa is a Christian country. South Africa, a big percentage of people abahlala South Africa ngabantu bakholelwayo kuNkulunkulu, nokuthi basonta kumasonto a different, but ngabantu abakholelwayo kuNkulunkulu. Nabo bangasontiyo, for instance basema tavern, they were listening to this song, yabo bejiva beyicula lengoma. So lengoma irelate kumuntu wonke in all sorts of life, yabo. Manje nyani ke it's a win for gospel industry.
Uke wakhuluma ngabaculi kade bekhalalisela, mhlawumbe kwi-journey yakho, uhambo lakho lomculo, khona umculi owakuhlaba umxhele usakwasebenzisana naye ukuthi yo ngiyakhumbula ngisebenzisana noSibanibani senza ingoma sasebenza kahle ngayithanda into esayenza?
Baninzi abaculi endisebenze nabo, ezibabe ndimentionile, ndikhe ndasebenza noJumbo, ndikhe ndasebenza noDumi, ndisebenzile noMamhlengiwe, ndisebenzile nabanye abaculi abanganzi gospel, abo DJ Mr. Taylor who does igqom, and I've worked with ikhona on the Afro Soul side, yabo. I think everyone endisebenza naye ngumuntu endinothi kuye ndiyarelate naye ngokwenhliziyo, because into yomculo it needs you to connect before you collaborate in a song. You must connect emotionally, spiritually, nangengqondo nangokucinga, yabo, because masenisenza ingoma pha, masengicula noJumbo, fanele abantu bangaboni ngokungathi kune competition between each other, yabo. But into esiyenzayo fanele ijele kakuhle, ibe into that shows unity ebantwini. Nhlangothi mangithetha ngalento yokusebenzisana ne-collaboration ye-artist, ndithi uNkulunkulu unalento kuthiwa ngumzimba kaKristu. Makuthethwa ngumzimba kaKristu kuthethwa ngathi thina silibandla singumzimba kaKristu. manje umzimba mawuthatha uzisa in a natural form like this, ingalo ayicompete nomlenze. Because ingalo iyayazi ukuthi okwayo kokubamba, umlenze uyayazi ukuthi okwayo kokuhamba. And imehlo alicompete nendlebe. Imehlo lizenzela into elibizelwe yona ukubona, indlebe izenzela into ebizelwe ukuva. So I think as artists nje fanele if we can understand ukuthi sonke sibiziwe sine callings zethu, and our callings are different but they work better xa wedityanisiwe.
Mhlawumbe ukuzibuzela nje kwimboni yomculo, industry yomculo nje yonke, it's not industry elula. Kunezinto eziningi, kunabantu abaningi ekusetshenzwa nabo, and ngiyengibone mhlawumbe kwamanye ama-genre omculo uthola ukuthi sekuthiwa umculo usibanibani une-beef nosibanibani. Wena ukuyibona leyo nto kuyi-gospel noma usakuweza nje kuthiwa udumo noBetusile sibabonile ukuthi abasazwani?
No, kube khona oko. Singabantu ngeke side sisoloko sivana ngento yonke. Asifani namanzi, asizuhamba same direction. Kuba khona lokho, but as iBhayibheli sitsho malingatshoni ilanga usaqumbile. So we resolve i-conflicts ezikhoyo. Especially mase studio, like studio we fight a lot because mouse studio, you want the product, the end product to be perfect. Now finally if kufuneka ube hard kulo muntu usebenza naye, ube hard so that the end product ibe perfect.
Mhlawumbe kufika nanokuthi mawuthi niyabantu kuyafika emqondweni ukuthi abantu begospel, abantu besonto for sure banokwehlulelwa ngestandard esehlukile mhlambe kwabanye abaculi, bese uyabona sekuthe uBetusile ubonakale enza uABC, ubonakale enza u1 2 3, kanti mhlawumbe kube bekwenziwa yimina ngaba bashongo lutho. Uyiface into kanjalo?
Yeah, kakhulu siyaziface izinto ezinjalo, and it's normal xa uzibize ngento kufanele uyiphile. Yabo. And as much as basiyiphila nathi singabantu, we are not perfect, but we serve a perfect God, you know. And iyona nto sisa esontweni into yokuba siyazi ukuthi asikho perfect. We are trying each and every day into yokuba inceba kaThixo ube yiyo esitshintshayo isenze sibukeke ngongathi is perfect ebantwini. But ke abantu, they will always judge you. You know, sometimes kuba nzima nongena etown unxiba ishoti because abantu, they judge even your dress code. Uba njani uBetusile ngumzalwana anxiba ishoti edolophini, you know, into ezinjalo. So nendawo esiperforma kuzo sometimes mna andinokuhamba ndiyoperforma nakuma-taverns, and abazalwane used to judge me a lot ngaloo nto, and ndayiqonda uba mandingabe ndisilwa nayo because maybe they don't have the vision I have. Mna ndibizelwe uba ngumlobi wabantu, and xa ngumlobi wabantu mawudoba kuthiwa kudoba ngesonto. Mawudoba ifish uyidoba ngale nto eyithandayo, ufaka le nto uyithandayo apha kulobo, so that you can catch the fish. Now if sizawuvalelana sodwa esontweni and preach among each other the message, aba bantu balapha esontweni already sebephendukile, sebeyazi into kaKristu. Now we need to go out there and win souls, which is, I think, iyona next project endifuna ukuyenza after Ngena Noah, yokuthi I want to do mostly collaboration with a secular music artist, so that we may show, we may be able to open their world and win souls from that world for the kingdom of God, because honestly gospel ayo beat. God gospel is the message, it's the good news that we are said. Yabo, ingazi ngoma zothando, ingazi ngoma zokukhulula abantu, or ingoma zokunikeza abantu ithemba. That's the good news ye gospel esiyipreachayo.
Bese ngiza kulo mbuzo ukuthi what does the future look like kuwena? Kusahlela ukuthi uzobhala i-album maduzane, usaphumule?
Ngizayikhupha i-album maduzane. Ngizayikhupha i-album maduzane, but i-success kaNoah is giving a lot of pressure. I must now keep the standard and release a song that will take the whole world, like Noah did. But I think focus yam kakhulu. Focus yam is to release music ozokwazi uvuselela ithemba ebantwini, ozokwazi ukuphendula abantu, ozokwazi ukuncedisana nabantu. You know, umculo is a powerful tool yokushumayela. Ingoma zethu zingena ezindlini, umuntu seyibamba intambo ezawuzilengisa, but makudlala ingoma eradioweni ibe ingoma that changes ingqondo yalo muntu, imnikeza ithemba elitsha, yabo.
Ngizibuzela nje ucabanga ukuthi usazoperforma nomndeni wasekhaya, ngiyazi ukuthi naqala niperforma ndawonye noMamulusanda, dume kakhulu umculo wegospel. Uyazibona niphinde niperforma ndawonye noma? Uzorelease i-album yakhe month end May. Uthi retirement album yakhe. Kula album yakhe there is a song that we did sobabini. So I'll perform sobayi-2. If possible, I will try and convince uba anga-retire after the album. Aphinda enze nge-retirement. Usize retirement 2.0 eyogcina ngci. So lokho sithi ngci.
Yeah, because I think siyaba owe abalandeli bethu i-album yethu soyi-2, i-collaboration yethu. Not just mna naye but as a family. Ndisolo nsitsho kanithetha ngefamily yam ndithi ekhaya makhona gatherings ekhaya, we don't lead songs noMamulusanda because we're not the best singers ekhaya. There are other cousins and sisters ezicula kamnandi kakhulu. So if we can maybe release the album Mcinga family album, I think abantu bangayithanda kakhulu.
Ngibonge kakhulu bhuti wami. Khona umbiko ofisa ukuwasho all ama-fans akho asemakhaya, bonke abantu abakuvotelile nabaqhubekayo bakusupporta kuze kube namhlanje?
Engingathanda ukutsho nje kubabukeli emakhaya ukuthi thank you so much ngovota, thank you so much nge-prayers. Kungenxa yevotes zenu nemithandazo yenu silapha kule ndawo, kungenxa yoba nincama izinto zenu download umculo wethu kwi-platforms ebangela ukuthi sibe siyaphila apha kule ndawo. So would like to say thank you, uThixo anibusise, andise kakhulu apho nithatha khona. Siyafumaneka ke na kuma-social media, those abafuna ukuxhumana nathi on Instagram @Betusile and Twitter @Betusile_Mcinga, nako Facebook sikhona ke.
Ngibonge kakhulu, sijabulile ukuthi sixoxe nawe. Ngiyathemba nababukeli bethu bajabule kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sisi wami, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Bekuyena uBetusile Mcinga kuKhozi FM TV. Ngibonge kakhulu ukuthi uhlale nami. Mina nawe asihlangane kwenye episode yoKhozi FM TV.